Students, now we will see property of an angle bisector of a triangle. The statement is the bisector of a triangle divides the side opposite to the angle in the ratio of the remaining sides. Okay, follow the statement. Now first we will find out what is given here. The given part is bisector of a triangle. So here we draw triangle A, B, C. Then we will draw bisector of one of the angles. Now here angle A, C, B, bisector is ray C. It divides the opposite side in the ratio AE upon EB. This ratio is equal to the ratio of remaining sides. So equal to CA upon CB. Followed what we have to prove? AE upon EB equal to CA upon CB. Okay student? Now to prove this we have to do construction. We have to draw line BD parallel to ray CE. See BD parallel to ray CE from point B. Then extend side AC up to point D. Okay student? Now this is the construction. Now we will start proof. First we will take ray CE parallel to ray BD and line AC is the transversal. So that we will get angle ACE equal to angle CDB. These are two angles. These are equal. So this is our statement number 1 and the reason is corresponding angles. Okay. Now again line CE parallel to line BD and now we will take BC as transversal so that we will get angle ECB congruent to angle CBD. We will get these two angles congruent, these two. So this is our statement number 2 and the reason is alternate angles. But as we know that CE is the bisector of angle C, so we will get angles ACE equal to angle ECB. These two angles we will get equal. This is our statement number 3 and the reason is given. Okay student? Now observe first, second and third statement. From these three statements we will get angle CBD equal to angle CDB. These two angles we will get equal. This is from statement number 1, 2 and 3. Okay students? Now observe triangle CBD. In this triangle we got these two angles congruent. So side opposite to these angles are also congruent. And side opposite to this angle. So BC is equal to CD. This is our statement number 4 and the reason is sides opposite to congruent angles. Okay? Now we will take the big triangle ABD. This big triangle ABD. In this triangle CE is parallel to BD. So we can apply here basic proportionality theorem. Using that we will get AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD. This is statement number 5 and the reason is basic proportionality theorem. Now observe fourth and fifth statement. Here AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CD but CD is equal to CB. So instead of CD we can substitute CB. So that we will get ratio AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. AE upon EB is equal to AC upon CB. So this way we can prove angle bisector property. Understood? Students, now we will see property of three parallel lines and their transversal. As you already studied this property in 8th standard, so let's revise the property. The ratio of the intercept made on a transversal by three parallel lines is equal to the ratio of the corresponding intercept made on any other transversal by the same parallel lines. Okay. Now students, here in this theorem we have to draw parallel lines, three parallel lines. So here you can see in the figure, line L parallel to line M parallel to line N. T1 and T2, these are their transversal. So transversal T1 intersect these lines at point A, B and C. Transversal T2 intersect these lines at point P, Q and R. So students, we have to prove that the ratio of intercept on one transversal means AB upon BC. This intercept ratio is equal to the ratio of intercept on other transversal is equal to PQ upon QR. Followed, what we have to prove? AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. Now to prove this, we have to do construction. Draw segment PC. This segment PC intersect line M at point D. So that here we will get two triangles and we can apply basic proportionality here. So let's start the proof. First, in triangle ACP, BD is parallel to AP. So by applying basic proportionality theorem, we will get ratio AB upon BC equal to PD upon DC. Here the statement number 1 and the reason is basic proportionality theorem. Okay student, now we will take second triangle CPR. In this triangle, segment DQ is parallel to CR. So again we can apply basic proportionality theorem. PD upon DC equal to PQ upon QR. This is our statement number 2 and the reason is basic proportionality theorem. Now student, from this first and second statement we will get AB upon BC equal to PD upon DC equal to PQ upon QR. We got these three ratios equal and from this statement we will get AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. See, AB upon BC equal to PQ upon QR. This is the property of three parallel lines and their transversal. Followed students, how it is proved? Okay.